Starting in the name of Allah, who is the most merciful, supreme and powerful. Hello students, I am Mansoor Hassan, English language teacher at Oxford Education Academy, Badkhela. And our today's topic is preposition. What is preposition? Preposition is satawai. Preposition is a word which links nouns, pronouns and phrases to other words in a sentence. Preposition यो लफ्ज़ दे च आगा ज़मुसरा noun, pronoun या phrase च कम दे आगा द नोर word सरा link कई, join कई, योजे कई पे यो sentence की द आगे relationship च कम दे आगा खई च दे यो लफ्ज़ द बल लफ्ज़ सर सा relation दे. Preposition shows relationship between noun, pronoun or phrases with other words in a sentence. Other words can be nouns, adjective or verb. Let's see the example. Where is the ball? The ball is the table. So what is the relation between ball and table? So the preposition shows us this relation. The ball is near the table. Second example, the ball is dash the table. Now where is the ball? The ball is under the table. So the word under is preposition. It is showing us the relation of ball and table. Where is the ball? The ball is on the table. So on, under and near, these are prepositions. Types of preposition, it depends on three things: when, where and in which direction. Preposition संगता से example क्यों कतल दा मुक्तदा यो noun या द यो pronoun या द यो phrase पर sentence के चिकम नोर अल्फाज दी द आगे सर relationship खई like first example तासु को तो the ball is near the table. नो दा near चिकम दा जम यो preposition दे और दा जक preposition दे दा मुक्त the ball और द table चिकम दे relationship खई पर दे sentence की बॉल चढ़ता दे या नियर या अंडर या अबव नो दा जमुसरा prepositions दे. Types of preposition, no preposition depend कई पर दृश्य जुनुमानी when, where and which direction. When मतलब कला, where चढ़ता और कम तरफ था द दे द्रिव सीजन लपारा मुंगे च कम दे बा prepositions यूज़ को. First one when लपारे च कम preposition यूज़ की गई. They are called preposition of time. In, on, at, before, after. Those are most commonly used prepositions. For example, my birthday falls in January. No, the N of January or birthday chikam relation the agamuktada N zahire. He will go to school on Monday. No, Monday or the school relation chikam de damukta the answer zahiri. Given the answer preposition. She gets up 7 o'clock. No, 7 o'clock sa 8 7 o'clock नुदा 8 चिकम दे मुक्तदा getting up or the 7 o'clock relationship है. When number comes a musara de where no where la samunga vayu preposition of place. In, on, at, before, below, above, that's a musara commonly used prepositions. The books are dash the table. Us the books or the table's relationship they da मुक्ता preposition show के the books are on the table. और मुक्ता place show के books चढ़ते दी on the table. The plane is just the clouds. Plane चढ़ते दी just below the clouds. No the below मुक्ता दा दे cloud और the plane relationship या मुक्ता दा दे place है. नो दे वजह मुक्ता preposition of place वायु. Third one preposition of direction. Preposition of direction चिकम मुक्त direction है चिकम तरफ था. To, of, from and to those are most commonly used prepositions. We went London last week. No, they went और London से relation दे direction कम direction no to दा to मुक्ता direction है और तो preposition of direction. या he climbed the hill up the hill. No दा up मुक्ता दल से की दा मुक्ता यो linking के और वे मुक्ता डायरेक्शन शो के. बल जमुसर दे prepositional phrase. Prepositional phrase सता वही prepositional phrase वही group of words containing preposition. د ګروپ هغه مجموعه چې په هغې کې پریپوزیشن شامل وي نو هغې ته وایي پریپوزیشنل فریز. اگزامپلز وګورئ. د فراگ هوپ تھرو، نو تھرو زموږ سره پریپوزیشن دی. د ګارډن، نو تھرو د ګارډن زموږ سره پریپوزیشنل فریز شو. د بیلون ډرافټډ up the stairs، up preposition دی او up the stairs دا prepositional phrase شو. He was asking about the topic، نو about preposition دی او about the topic prepositional phrase. I hope you have understood the thing. Thank you so much. Take care. Goodbye.